Good morning. Welcome. This is Ernie Williams, one of the Deputy Teachers here for Mentee Unified. Today we're going to do a brief overview of Teams. We're going to go tier to Teams, and your child should have this one right here if they have APE. If not, there could be a hidden channel that's underneath you can locate. We're going to open it up, and as you can see, this will be our general channel. This is where most of the posts are going to be right here. So if we have an assignment or a form we want you to fill out, this will be for files when we upload like links to things. We are not going to be using class notebooks, but assignments are right here. You're going to click on that tab and it'll let you know if there's any assignments that are due. Currently, for my group of students, there is a week 2 check-in going right now. We'll have grades, and then there's also, it could be a YouTube channel or Flipgrid coming soon, hopefully. On this side, this is where each individual AP teacher has breakout rooms for their students right here. And almost all the students have been scheduled, so you can check their schedule and calendars, which is right here. And it will show times that they'll have PE, and probably their other classes should also show up as well. So this is just kind of a basic overview of the Teams and how to access it. So hopefully this will help you. Obviously, you're able to write in the general post as well. And if you're not, please get back to us with our emails. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to thank you all, and we're looking forward to working with you all next week. Thank you. Bye.